Gusto mong kumain ng mga healthy recipes na hindi isinusuko ang sarap? Narito ang Top 50 Pinoy Healthy Recipes 2026 para sa buong pamilya.
Welcome to my channel, Doran Bacani Kitchen.
Top on the list is yung tinolang manok, ginisang munggo, pinakbet, chop suey, ensaladang talong, ensaladang pipino, ampalaya with egg, wow, laing, yan, paborito ko rin yung laing, ginisang upo, ginisang sayote, ginisang bulaklak at talbos ng kalabasa, ginisang kangkong, ginisang repolyo with egg, adobong kangkong, yan, napaka-healthy, ginisang pechay at giniling, steamed tilapia, grilled boneless bangus, wow, sinigang na bangus, sarap ng sabaw, paksiw na bangus, chicken vegetable soup, lemon butter garlic fish, miswa with patola, chicken sotanghon, at syempre narito ang fresh lumpia, lumpiang gulay, crispy tofu sisig, tofu with oyster sauce, stir-fry broccoli in oyster, at meron din tayong stir-fry mixed vegetable, egg omelette, vegetable, spicy tuna salad, chicken salad, healthy na ensaladang pako, di mawawala ang fresh fruit salad, oatmeal with banana, oatmeal with fruits, yan, napaka-healthy, fruit salad yogurt, yan, boiled sweet potato, boiled sweet corn, to meron tayong steamed okra, meron din tayong egg vegetables, ginisang togi at tokwa, ginisang bagu beans, ginisang kalabasa, at meron tayong ginataang kalabasa, vegetable fried rice recipe, at itong grilled fish with fried rice, chicken lettuce wraps, fresh spring rolls, at ang napakasarap na grilled chicken with veggies. At dyan nagtatapos. I hope nagustuhan nyo ang ating mga Pinoy healthy recipes. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. God bless us all. Thank you for watching.